Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this premium sunlight white Jazz Crosstar. Now of course this is a 1.5 self-charging hybrid. It does come with LED fog lights, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, and of course 4 front parking sensors. You have also got these brilliant 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well, all of which are in perfect condition, and I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on these alloys. Walking round to the rear now, as you can see it is a late 21 model. It's got 4 rear parking sensors. It's also got your reversing camera just up at the top there. You've got plenty of room in the tailgate area as well. You've got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have got the cloth grey interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've also got the white and black accents on the outer edge as well. We've then got electric and automatic windows all round, and full keyless entry and keyless start as well. Jumping inside the car now, just showing you, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. You've then got your economy mode just here and your eCVT gearbox. We've got climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats as well, and then we do also have your touchscreen display in the middle. This comes with your satellite navigation and all your various audio sources just there. This screen does also come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got a nice little bit of additional storage up at the top there, and then of course you do have your Bluetooth, your audio controls on the left, and your cruise control and speed limiter on the right. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 4,457 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can send you a private video of this vehicle. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.